Hi, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater, coming to you today from a brand new NauticStar 227 XTS. I'm going to take a little close-up look at this boat. I'll highlight some features, and then you guys need to come in and see this for yourself, because if you are in the market in the Tampa Bay area for something that will fish just as well as it pleasure cruises, it's a great option. Fishing in the front, family in the back, as we like to say here. So we're going to start here at the transom. We're powered with a Yamaha 200 4-stroke. Very quiet, plenty of power. Excellent package on the 227. Also, I really want to note this this simple but spectacular add-on. It's a swim platform with a fold-down ladder. It makes it very easy to enter and exit the boat. We have some just spectacular sandbars and islands to explore when it is family day, and it does not get easier than that, and it is really an overlooked aspect of just getting in and out of the boat. Believe me, I've been there. So, nice non-skid aft casting deck, and you kind of said, hey Matt, where's his family in the back? Where does everybody sit? Well, we got conveniently hidden fold up jump seats. Remember guys, this is a 22-foot boat. Find me another 22-footer that has 3 across the back. I own a 24-foot boat. I only have 2 on the sides. I wish I had a 3rd in the back. So, plenty of seating. They're good sized. They're very comfortable, and there's storage under them. Storage here. Live well here. There we go. And battery access, more storage. So, and then they go away just like that. They lock into place. We got more storage and access on either of these side hatches. Great use of space from NauticStar. Cup holders, grab holders. We have spots for removable elevated swivel seats. So again, if you want to take a load off and sit down while fishing, it is comfortable and nice to get in the Florida heat especially to sit down. Moving to the leaning post. Excellent design by NauticStar. We got a nice thick backrest, hit you nice and high. We got rod holders behind you here and flip up bolsters. This was kind of taken from offshore style fishing. Guys want to be able to stand up and be comfortable at the same time, sit down and have enough space. And notice how they're split. So captain can be standing and running, passenger can be sitting down, or vice versa. Looking closer here at the dash, hydraulic steering from SeaStar, nice 9-inch Simrad screen, upgraded Yamaha CL5 gauge, Infinity head unit and speakers, Lenco electric trim tabs with the indicator light, which is really nice to know where your trim tabs are at. Lighted LED accessory and light switches, cup holders where you need them. Little anti-fatigue SeaDek mat here with a little toe or footrest, and then glove compartment. Nice curved windshield, and then a powder coated T-top. T-top on a bay boat should be a no-brainer here in Florida. Rod holders behind us here too, so plenty of rod storage gets them out of the way. Before we move up front, guys, I do want to highlight an option on this boat that's pretty unique as well. We got freshwater washdown. So there is a freshwater tank. Fill it right here. Pull this sucker out right here. You got a freshwater shower. Rinse off. Take water with you. Gone are the days of having 1-gallon water buckets and dumping them over your head. You got nice pressurized water. We also do have a raw water port too. If you're fishing hardcore, don't want to waste that fresh water and want to rinse fish blood and stuff off, you can use the raw water ports. Notice we got some horizontal rod holders here too. Do work great for a deck brush or gaff. And follow me up front. So yeah, up front, we're all fishing. Nice big casting deck. We can have 3 full-size adults whipping rods around, and everybody's gonna have a space to be in. Nice non-skid, dedicated anchor locker, dedicated trolling motor mounting area, big storage hatch here. big finish storage hatch here. And it's a double step up too. So kids, older people, just easy to take 2 steps up instead of 1 big step. We also got rod lockers on either side here. Dedicated racks for them, keeping everything organized. And because we do love our live bait so much here in Florida, we got another live well up front here. So if you're anchored from the stern, maybe with a power pole, or you wanted to separate your bait, you can do shrimp here, pilchards in the back, what have you. Nice little touch here, some pop-up cleats. Stainless steel rub rail with the shark eye nav lights. Guys, NauticStar 227 XTS. If you like to fish, if you like to take your family out, you want to have a little bit of both without the compromise, NauticStar 227. Again, Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for joining me.